Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I want to say a few words about the latest tool that our team develops. It's a Python data converter from well-known formats to another formats used usually in the programming workflow. So if we check out the conversion metrics presented here on the project README, we can see that the features are organized into drops. So currently we are working to in this first iteration of the product, and for instance this line informs us that the tool accepts the JSON JSON descriptor for an API service, and we should be able to extract the model and the model definition for Flash, Django, and other languages will be added as well. Also, we can do the same thing for CSV format. We can convert CSV format to data tables, to charts, and also export the information. These steps are targeted for first drop. Also, we can do the same thing for using DataFrames as input. But let me check out locally the project and start the user interface, and you anyone can see the features exposed by this tool. It's important to know that even the project is open source. The license is not MIT. So the tool is free for students, sole developers, in case they want to code um, some projects, some simple project for their own use without selling the end product. NGOs is free. In case you have an NGO, you can use the library, and also for of course for learning activities. For those that needs to incorporate the code into end product sold to another client, or in case you are not an entity listed on this line, you need to buy a license. Okay, so let's check out the source code. Okay, I will pull the latest sources. As I said before, the product is under development, so many commits will be pushed these days. Basically, the structure is split into a reusable library, which will be published on Wi-Fi index um, website, and also we provided a minimal Flask application that incorporates the library, and like this we can test the features using a visual interface. Let me activate the environment. Basically it's just a super simple Flask application. You just need to, in order to start a product, you need to pull the sources, create a virtual environment, install all the requirements listed here, and click on the interface. Okay, let's start a project. Okay, so basically we have this super minimal UI, and also I will navigate to the project on disk, because the project comes with some input files samples for different formats, just to test the application. In this case, we have CSV file, two versions, OpenApi descriptor as JSON and YAML, and also some data frames saved in binary format with these extensions PKL. Okay, let's test the first thing. I will drop here the OpenAPI JSON. The JSON is pushed to the server, and now we have these options. So basically we are able to extract the definition for to be used for Flask. We can copy here the source code and put it in our code base. And also in case we want to edit the definition, we just need to double click here the definition, and we can edit the type, which is compatible with Flask and Django. Okay, if we want both libraries, the same thing happens here. On the left we have Flask, and on the right we have Django. Of course, we can edit all fields and save the information and copy to our project. Okay, let's do another conversion. I will drop here some sales CSV, and we have here all the options. The first one is to extract the model definition. So basically the tool scans the CSV file and detects the type and map the type to something that can be used on database side. Of course, we have the same double click edit column type in case what's the column type is not correctly guessed by the tool. We can update the definition. Okay, so in this case, this is the model conversion. I will sorry. I will convert to data table right now, so we can see here that automatically the CSV is injected as a data table. Of course, it's searchable. Let's say we want to search for this one, so the information is correctly filtered. Okay, that's really cool. Another cool feature is that we can automatically visually processes the information and convert the information to a chart. So let's say let's interpret the information using a line chart. Here I will select the purchase date and here the price. So like this, we have an instant chart over the information without much effort. I just import the file and generate the chart. So in the same way, we can also process PKL files, which, as I said before, are data frames. Okay. We can see here is the same, basically the same thing. Of course, we can edit the type. Let me also generate the data tables. So it's the same thing. We can browse through the information. I will put this one, which is larger, has many rows. We can see here that the information is paginated. Here we have more than 19 pages. Okay, so we can of course play with the pagination and also filter the value. The same thing happens with the export. We can export here as a JSON or as an SQL. Let's export as a JSON. So we can see here that the information is presented as in this format, and for in case we need to manipulate the information using JSON. So guys, thanks for watching. This tool is free, as I said before. Will be updated to support all the mentioned conversions on the product roadmap. Soon we will support EIML for the API OpenApi descriptor. Also, we can use an external URL, and the tool is able to pull the entities and generate the same and apply the same conversions like model definition for Flask, Django, and other frameworks. Also, the tool should be able to consume some CSV over an URL, and other things listed here. So in case anyone have issues or suggestions, just use the issues tracker to tell us what you think and suggest more things. For support, feel free to access AppSeed. We have here on the homepage support link, and here are the coordinates. Send us an email or simply join Discord and tell us what you think in case you want a live assistance from our support team. So guys, thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you a super day, and see you on the next video. Bye guys.